stop. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you own your own home or you rent? Now imagine living in a rented apartment for the next 20 or 30 years. Every single month, you faithfully pay your rent. You never miss a payment. You take care of your property. You are the perfect tenant. Then one day, you decide to move. What do you live with? Your furniture, your clothes, your memories. But every dollar of rent you've paid over those decades, gone. Your landlord is not going to say, "You've been such an amazing tenant. Here is every rent payment you've ever paid." That will never happen. Now think about your car insurance or your homeowner's insurance. If you pay premium for 20 or 30 years without filing a claim, does the insurance company send you a big check to thank you for being such a loyal customer? Of course not. Those premiums bought protection. Lots more. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Many people treat their life insurance exactly the same way. They buy a 20 or 30-year term policy, or they depend on life insurance offered through work. And for many families, that's a reasonable place to start. But here's the question very few people ask. What happens when the term expires? Or what happens if you leave your job, get laid off, or retire? That coverage can disappear. Now imagine that happening when you are in your 50s or 60s, where your health has changed, when premiums are dramatically higher, or where you may no longer qualify for the amount of coverage your family needs. That's a risk many people don't realize they're taking. Now let me be clear. I'm not saying term insurance is bad. It absolutely has a place. In fact, having term insurance is usually far better than having no insurance at all. But what if your life insurance could do more than simply protecting your family if you die? What if it could also help you build cash value while you are alive? What if the money inside your policy had the potential to grow over time, and you could potentially access that cash value in the future for things like retirement income, business opportunities, collect funding, or unexpected life event? That's why so many successful families, business owners, and high-income professionals are taking a closer look at the Indexed Universal Life strategy. It is designed to provide life insurance protection while also giving your money the opportunity to work for you during your lifetime. Instead of paying premium that only protect against one event, your policy may also become a financial asset you can use while you're still here. Now, if you've never seen how this strategy works, you owe it to yourself to learn about it. It could completely change the way you think about life insurance. Comment protected, and I'll personally show you how an Indexed Universal Life works and whether it makes sense for your situation.